Bitcoin, what is going on? Price is lulling people to sleep. I thought it was going to zero, but now we're bouncing above critical levels once again. As what do you know, on Monday here, the NASDAQ and the stock market has opened up green. Now, I don't think that the tariff turmoil is fully over yet. There's no deals in negotiation made with China, but what is Bitcoin's chart saying? And what has also helped price? So Bitcoin has been following the NASDAQ as of recently. These are a lot of the major tech stocks. That is up. Bitcoin has rallied 13.55% off of the low. Also, over the weekend, Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy bought another $250 million worth of Bitcoin, doubling, tripling, and 10xing down on their bet that the Bitcoin strategy is the strategy of the future, and Bitcoin will be the digital reserve currency of the world. He's also probably trying to front run his buddy Cohen over at GameStop that needs to buy 1.4 billion worth of Bitcoin in the coming days and weeks. Now, if we zoom in here to Bitcoin, what do we know? We said there was going to be a rally and a rejection around 88,000. That is what happened here at the red target. Now, I didn't think this was going to happen, but big waterfall panicked everybody out, and a new low was formed. We crossed above the 200 moving average, came into the 300 moving average, and right now we are getting really tight between these moving averages. What you would like to see is this consolidation to continue, this 200 moving average to cross from below, bullish cross, and gablamo, Bitcoin does a similar move that it did here. Let's see where that would take you. And what do you know? That would take you right into $96,000 Bitcoin, right in all of this consolidation, right in all of this consolidation, right in all of this consolidation. So from a TA perspective, things look pretty good. Now, there is Elliott Wave International has been right on stocks as of late. They are calling for a multi-day rally in the stocks before another crush in the stock market. Will Bitcoin stand on its own finally? I still think it's too early for that. So if that happens, you get another multi-day, couple days, maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, a couple days this week of green in the stock market, sending Bitcoin higher before they're calling for new lows in the stock market, which could threaten these lows that Bitcoin made around $75,000. We shall see, but things are looking good in this consolidation, building up some momentum here. We want to see this cross and Bitcoin to make a measured move around 95 to 96,000, and then it'll be moment of truth. It'll be right back into this massive range here where there's tons of trading. Everybody is taking profits. Everybody's trying to buy, trying to figure out momentum, and if we break above that, new all-time highs are imminent. $244,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2025 is still my prediction, and I am sticking with it.